Okay, so we've established that the absolute best way to utilize your Capital One miles is to transfer them to loyalty programs of Capital One and then utilize those miles to book award flight redemptions. In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through exactly step by step on how to do that so you can utilize your Capital One miles to book flights through partner airlines. So the first thing we want to do once we've logged into the Capital One app, either on your mobile device or on the desktop application, is to click on your credit card here and then click on View Rewards. Once you're on the rewards page, you're going to see an option here for Convert Rewards. Okay. Now we'll see each of our featured loyalty programs of Capital One listed here. And for the purpose of this video, we're going to assume you've already found a great award redemption. And in this case, it's this flight utilizing Turkish Miles and Smiles for a United flight from Austin to DC. That's going to cost us 7,500 miles. Now, if we go back to our Capital One Transfer Rewards page, we'll see that if we scroll down to Turkish Airlines Miles and Smiles, that it's 1,000 Capital One miles equals 1,000 Miles and Smiles miles. It's a lot of the word miles here. Now, at a 1-to-1 ratio of a point redemption, that means that these 7,500 miles that it's going to cost for this flight from Austin to DC is going to be exactly the same as what we see here in our Capital One portal. So, we've confirmed that this flight does exist because this is on Turkish Miles and Smiles, and we're looking directly at this flight with United. Just to confirm, we can click on this to select the flight and then go to the page for the checkout to just double check that the fees aren't too ridiculous. And so it's only $5 of fees plus the 7,500 miles, which, if you guys are not already aware, for Turkish Miles and Smiles is anywhere in the US, the flight redemptions, if they are available in economy class, are going to be 7,500 miles, which at a 1 cent per point valuation is $75, which is pretty damn good. Now, if we go back to Capital One, all we'll have to do is click on the transfer miles here and then enter our membership number. If we go back to Turkish Miles and Smiles, we'll see our membership number here under our name, which is just my name. Your name is going to be different, of course, and you don't want to copy the TK part of this. Any of the award programs, if they have letters in front of the actual membership number, you want to make sure that you're only transferring the numbers here, which start with 5 for myself, and then move that over to Capital One, and then just confirm that one time. And I'm going to put that in to then see our transfer miles page. Now, again, we've confirmed that this flight is going to cost us 7,500 miles. Now, I know for a fact that with Turkish Miles and Smiles, the transfer of miles from Capital One over to this program is instantaneous. And so obviously I have 7,500 miles in my account right now here, but I want to show you guys for the purposes of this video. So it's 7,500 here. We're going to transfer over 7,500 because that's what it's going to cost for this flight specifically that we've confirmed exists. You see this little note here from Capital One about how long it takes. We're going to complete the transfer. And our confirmation code is also going to show up in our email, which we'll then see. And once we go back to Turkish Miles and Smiles, if we refresh this page, we'll see here that I have 15,000 total miles. Now, this is obviously from the transfer from Capital One, so we can now afford this award redemption with Turkish Miles and Smiles on United Airlines. And that is pretty much it. All you have to do from this point is to click on the flight, go through the checkout page, and then pay the $5 fee with whatever credit card you like, and then you will be on your way. So that's really all there is to it. It's super easy to transfer your Capital One miles, just going through their travel portal. You just have to confirm that that flight that you're looking for does exist before making that transfer happen. If you guys enjoyed the video, drop a like down below. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. I always do my best to answer you guys if you have questions related to this video. And as always, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.